Hi friends, welcome back to Living Gratefully. My friend Stacy and I tried out board and brush for the first time and we had so much fun I just had to share the experience with y'all. We picked out our item and stencil beforehand on the website, which was charcuterie boards, and when we arrived at the shop everything was ready for us. We had fun distressing the boards with hammers and other tools. Then we stain the boards. You get to choose from many different stain colors. I chose a lighter stain and Stacy chose a darker stain. You also have so many choices as far as paint if you want to paint your boards, and also for the lettering and designs. Then the stencil is put on, which the owner Stephanie and the kind staff helped us with because it was our first time. They were so welcoming and helpful since we were newbies. We then did some painting and some peeling, which is so satisfying. Do y'all like that? Comment down below if you think that is satisfying. I was thinking I was going to be stressed out keeping up with all the steps and not knowing what to do next, while everyone was kind of like, ahead of me because they knew what they were doing. But I was so thankful with how everything was laid out for us as far as the steps. All the supplies are set up for you. The staff is friendly and there to help you through it. It turned out to be a very fun experience and not stressful at all. You can socialize with the others at your table and walk around and see what others are painting. They provide some fun beverages for you to enjoy as well. And at the end, you can take pictures to celebrate your experience and show off your boards. Do you have a board and brush or something similar in your town? If you do and you've been kind of intimidated or scared to try it out, give it a try because it's so much fun to do with a friend or a group of friends or even family. You can even sign up with your spouse for date night, which is fairly common to do. I think the guys like it too once they get there. They told us since we're going to be serving food on our charcuterie boards to go get us some of this butcher block oil to coat our boards with. Thank you, Stephanie, for such a fun time at your shop. Stephanie's shop is linked below in the description box, and check out the fun Easter balloon decor created by our friend Julie with fancy balloons, which is also linked in the description box. Thank you, Stacy. I had so much fun doing this with you. We highly recommend this fun experience. If you're new, just finding us at Living Gratefully, please subscribe to our channel so you can see all of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.